students, welcome to E-Class myself, Smita teacher. Students, we will see the point conversion of units from textbook page number 64. So open your maths textbook page number 64. What is meant by conversion? Important note I have told you. What is our note? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. That means centimeter we can convert, which is smaller unit than centimeter, in that only we can convert. So centimeter we can convert into millimeter. Then 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. In this way we have to convert the units. Okay. So you have to learn these 3 points, then only you can solve the examples. So we will see the examples from exercise textbook page number 64. Question number 1. See, in this exercise, question 1, there are 8 examples you have to convert. But only 2 examples, I will solve here only 3 examples. See, meter into centimeter, kilometer into meter, and one fraction is given, 5.5. That means first 4 and 5 examples. So first one, 7 meter into centimeter. See, in note I have given 3 numbers. First one, centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, which we can use here. See the units here, meter and centimeter. In which number meter and centimeter word is there? In second number. What is our second note? In our second note, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. It is our second note. How will you understand which note? 3 notes I have given. Okay, in a note there are 3 numbers. So which number note you can use? You have to see the units in example. Here meter and centimeter, same units must be there. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. It is the second point in the note. So this you have to take. Now 7 meter is equal to, on 7 how many zeros I have to put? 2 zeros. It is your answer. Very easy it is, but you have to write this important note when you will solve the example. Now I will explain you fourth one example. See here, mixed fraction. We have learnt it in fraction lesson. Read the fraction. Read this mixed fraction. 5 and 1/2. What is meant by 1/2? That means half. Meter into centimeter. Same way, meter and centimeter, that means this only point we will use here. This only note we will use here. Now 1 meter means 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Now 5 meter, we will count it separately. 5 meter and half meter. Separately we will count and then we will add. Okay. See, first we will find 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. Okay, 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. Just to put 2 zeros. Now this 5 we have counted. Now we will count half. Half meter. Now do half of this 100. Half of 100 is 50 centimeter. Now do addition of this. 5 and half. 5 and half meter is equal to 500 plus 50. That means 550 centimeter. In this way you have to solve this fourth example. Okay. Now we will see fifth example from the exercise. Example number 5. 11 kilometer into meter. 11 kilometer into meter. it is the longest distance, which kilometer into meter? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. It is the point of note. Now 11 kilometer is equal to, on 11 how many zeros I have to give? 3 zeros. Meter. These units you have to give. Don't write without unit. Your answer you have to write in units. Now sixth example also I am explaining here. It is little different. 4 centimeter into millimeter. I am writing here short forms. Mm shows millimeter. Now first point of note we have to write 1 centimeter. Centimeter and meter is there in the first point of note. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now 4 centimeter is equal to, on 4 how many zeros I have to give? Only one. 40 millimeter. So students, in this way you have to solve this question. We will see the question number 2, match the following, and question number 3, fill in the blanks in textbook. See students, we will solve the exercise question number 2 from the exercise of textbook page number 64. 2 kilometer you have to convert into meter. 2 kilometer, that is 2000 meter. 5 centimeter means 50 millimeter. 8 meter means 800 centimeter. 11 centimeter means 110 millimeter. By number also you can understand this. 9 meter means 900 centimeter. 12 kilometer means 12,000 meter. So you have to convert this into meter and centimeter. See, meter means 100 centimeter. So this 5 you have to write in meter box. 5 you have to write in meter box, and this 30 you have to write in centimeter. 5 meter 30 centimeter, that means 530 centimeter. 1240 meter. 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. So 1000 place write down here for kilometer, and 40 meter. Here write down 240 meter. 845 centimeter. Again 8 write down here, and 45 centimeter in centimeters box. Be careful here. See, here what is given? Meter, and here what is? Centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That means 100 place we have to write here, but after 100 place there is thousands place also, and here no kilometer, here meter. So this 12 we have to write here. After 1000 place how many numbers are there, how many digits are there, that all we have to write here. So 12 meter and 50 centimeter. Be careful, see the units. See here 2 easy. 1 kilometer means 1000. So thousands place write down here. 2 kilometer and 275 meter. Here kilometer and meter. Again same way. 4 kilometer you can write 090 or only 90. 4 kilometer and 90 meter. In this way students, you have to solve this exercise in your notebook. So students, today's homework is, I will provide the images of workbook which you have to complete in your workbook. So today's homework is complete your workbook according to the images. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy, and study well.